Adding software in Solutions pathway is no more than a few clicks away. Once you have added hardware to your standard configuration list, simply expand the Select Your Software tab. From here, you can see our recommended software part numbers are displayed, helping you to choose the correct product. Scroll down and select the numbered pages to view an expanded list of compatible part numbers. Scroll down even further and you'll see that all software categories are displayed. Uncheck Select All to clear the recommended Select Software Categories filters, and select from the available categories to narrow your search. Once you have added your software items, they will appear in your list. To remove software from your list, simply tick in the Delete box and select Delete.